Hello. Today I will show you how to auto-add fund to your account on gsmunlockpro.com. First, sign into your account. On Client Area Dashboard, you have a big button saying Buy Credit. Click that. On the next page, choose the amount you want to add. I want to add now $10 only, then click Next. On this page, click on Pay Now button. Now you are on the payment page. Open your Binance app and scan the QR code. After scanning, write the amount, then click Add Note on your phone. You must add the numbers below the QR. If you didn't add the note, the payment will not add to your account. So don't forget that. After confirming the payment, it will redirect you to gsmunlockpro.com. You see the amount added successfully. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. If you forget to add a note, don't worry, just ask support team.